Hello students, the topic of the speech is Teachers' Day. Respected teachers, dear principal and my friends, good morning. Today is a special day, our Teachers' Day, celebrated every year on September 5, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who wished to honor teachers instead of celebrating his own birthday. Teachers are more than educators, they are our mentors and guides. They teach us lessons in kindness, perseverance, and integrity alongside math, science, and languages. They ignite our curiosity and encourage us to question and explore. Across the nation, teachers' efforts are recognized. Every year on Teachers' Day, the President honors outstanding teachers with the National Award for Teachers, acknowledging their dedication and excellence. This shows how highly India values the teaching profession. As students, we must appreciate our teachers more than ever. They build our confidence, support us in struggles, and celebrate our successes. They lay the foundation of who we become, both as learners and as human beings. In conclusion, I extend heartfelt thanks to all my teachers for their hard work and care. May we honor your efforts by learning with sincerity and kindness. Wishing everyone a warm and happy Teachers' Day. Don't forget to subscribe.